What's going on, everybody? This is Eric here with another Lost Production. I hope everybody's having a fantastic, wonderful day. So today we're going to go over something completely different. What we're going to be doing is talking about kind of like a troubleshoot that you can do with your Streamlabs if you do an updated system. I just built me a new system. It was a Ryzen 1950X with a Threadripper with two GTX 1080s in SLI configuration on an X399 gigabyte designer board. So basically we ran into an issue to where the stream button was not clicking. It would not let me click it. It will now, but here's what we did to fix it. So basically I contacted EVGA. They were like, there's nothing wrong with the cards. It's got the INVECT encoder. And that's the problem. It wasn't recognizing INVECT encoders. It wasn't recognizing that I had a lot of memory. It's like, oh, you have no memory. You have a single core CPU. The thing was just going ballistic. So I don't know what exactly behind the scenes was going on with it, but they're thinking that maybe it wasn't a driver issue. They were like, well, you probably just didn't update your drivers. I updated my drivers. I installed them and reinstalled them. We couldn't figure it out. So basically what we did was this stuff right here that I wrote down in my notepad will be put down in the description below. It's additional files that are needed for Streamlabs OBS that are in Visual C++. So basically you can click it, download it, and you're going to want to download both the C++ 64 and 32. Regardless if you only have a 64, you're going to want to get them both in there. So, and then I've also put a link in there for DirectX update. Now, as of October 16, 2018, this is the most up-to-date DirectX. So, with that being said, if you see this video in June, then, you know, obviously it's probably not going to be up to date. But, oh, cancel that. I don't want to close that. I need that for copy and paste. So anyways, so you're going to copy and paste that, or you will... It's linked, so it'll automatically write it for you and everything like that. You ain't got to worry about like trying to open up C++ and do all the coding and everything. It's already done. So basically, from there, if you're running an SLI configuration, okay, or you hit go live and it's not working. If you're running SLI configuration, if you're not running SLI configuration, I'm not too sure about the non-SLI configuration. But what I did after I did all that, it still wasn't quite working. I mean, it was lagging. It was kind of having some issues. So what I did was I went to output and I went down to where it says GPU, and it's normally set at 0, and I put it at 1. And once I did that, I hit done. I closed the application and reopened it back up. I was able to go live with no issues, and it actually looks better than it did a couple of weeks ago back on my 1050. So I'm really impressed with it. So that's kind of like a miniature fix for it. Hopefully this helps some people out. It's a very rare, obviously weird issue, but hopefully it helps somebody out there. So with that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, and Godspeed.